With your permission, Your Excellency, I request that we take our seats. At this point, Your Excellency, allow me to invite Honorable Felix Koskei, Chief of Staff and Head of Public Service, to take over the program and guide us with the rest of the proceedings. Welcome, sir.
Your Excellency, the President, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Your Excellency, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, Members of Parliament present, Chairpersons of various parastatals, all Cabinet Secretaries, Council of Economic Advisers, Chairpersons of Constitutional Commissions and holders of independent office, all Principal Secretaries, State Corporations, and chairs and chief executive officers, representatives of our development partners and the diplomats corps, honored guests, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and welcome to the official signing ceremony for the year 2024-2025 performance contract. Your Excellency, we convene today under strong floodlight on this administration, united in our quest to find an enduring solution to the challenge of ensuring effective government performance and enhancing the productivity of the public service. This morning, we strengthened the arc of accountability, ensuring that the machinery of the state glides faster and operates more efficiently for the people of Kenya. This effort is rooted in our commitment to fortifying the framework for the effective delivery of public service. Therefore, this state ceremony, the second under this administration, reaffirms the administration's unwavering commitment to openness, transparency, and accountability as enshrined in our Constitution as part of the national values and principles of governance. Your Excellency, as part of this growing constitutional and political tradition, each ministry's performance contract will be witnessed by the primary committees of the National Assembly that oversights that ministerial portfolio. This practice demonstrates the administration's resolve of facilitating parliamentary oversight and deepening greater accountability to the people of Kenya in the use of public resources. Your Excellency, I therefore seek to grant the grant of your approval to call upon the ministries to execute their respective performance contracts and thereafter for Your Excellency to witness the commitments made by the ministries as part of the social contract you have with the people of Kenya. Sir, as part of the organization of government, you have vested the responsibility of coordinating performance management under the charge of the Deputy Chief of Staff for Performance and Delivery Management. To kick off the formal part of the ceremony, permit me now to invite Mr. Owalo Elliott to join me at the arena, who will witness the signing of all performance contracts. Your Excellency, as you cascade the social contract you have with the people of Kenya, with those that support you in the discharge of your high mandate, permit me now to invite His Excellency, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, the Prime Cabinet Secretary and the Cabinet Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, accompanied by the Principal Secretaries in his office, to sign the performance contract. The portfolio performance contract will be witnessed by the respective members of parliament responsible for that ministry, if they have arrived. Thank you. Let me invite Honorable Musalia Mudavadi to take his seat while the PSS retreat. Let me now invite Principal Secretaries in the Ministry of Interior and National Administration to witness the signing of the performance contract for the ministry, as Honorable Musalia Mudavadi is currently acting Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration. PSS to retreat, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi to take his seat as acting Cabinet Secretary in charge of Culture, the Arts, and Heritage. So the PSS responsible for Culture, National Heritage, and Gender, please join the acting Cabinet Secretary. So the Honorable Acting Cabinet Secretary of Culture and Heritage can now retreat with the PSS and a member of the National Assembly in charge of the committee, and I call upon now the next office to sign the performance contract is the State Law Office, the Attorney General, Ms. Dorcas Akik Oduor, accompanied by Shadrach Mose, and they will sign in the presence of Honorable George Kitonga Murugara, if he's present, or any other member of that committee. Next is Minister of Defense, Honorable Rosalinda Soipan Tuya, accompanied by Dr. Patrick Mairiru, in the presence of Honorable Nelson Koech. Next is the National Treasury and Economic Planning, the Honorable CPA John Bandi Ngongo, accompanied by Dr. Chris Kipto, James Muhati, and Francis Kuria Kimani to witness. Your Excellency, next in line is Minister of Public Service and Human Capital Development, Cabinet Secretary Honorable Justin Muturi, in witness whereof by Amos Kathesha, and in the presence of Honorable Eric Mushangi Karemba, if he's available, if he's around here, not here. Next is Minister of Water, Sanitation and Irrigation, Engineer Eric Murithi Mugaa, in witness whereof by Mr. Julius Korir and Mr. Ephantus Kimani. In the presence of Honorable David Kangogo Bowen, if he is around, the Chair of Departmental Committee on Blue Economy and Irrigation. Next is Ministry of Cooperatives and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development, the Honorable Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya, in witness whereof by Mr. Patrick Kilemi and Ms. Susan Mangeni, in the presence of Honorable James Mwangi Kaguya, if he is around. The next, Your Excellency, is Minister of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry, the Honorable Aden Bare Duale, in witness of Dr. Engineer Festus Ngeno and Mr. Kitonga Mugambi, in the presence of Honorable David Kikaria, if he managed to arrive. Your Excellency, the next is Minister of Health, Dr. Deborah Mulongo Barasa, witness whereof by Mr. Henry Kimutai, Hari Kimutai, and Ms. Mary Mudhoni Muriuki, in the presence of Honorable Dr. Robert Bukose, Chairperson, Departmental Committee on Health. Next is Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry, Honorable Salim Vuria Mugala, accompanied by Abubakar Hassan Abubakar, Alfred Kombundo, Dr. Julius Muhwana, in the presence of Honorable James Kakuya Mwangi, if he is present. Next is Minister of Education, Mr. Julius Migos Ogamba, Cabinet Secretary, Dr. Pelio Kipsang, Principal Secretary, Dr. Esther Moria, Principal Secretary, Dr. Beatrice Nyangala, Principal Secretary, and in the presence of Honorable Julius Meli, who is around. Your Excellency, the next is Minister of East African Community and Regional Development, Honorable Ms. Beatrice Askul Moe, Mr. Abdi Dubat Vido, and Mr. Arsama Kelo, in the presence of Honorable Peter Dochakabong, who is around. Next is Minister of Agriculture and Livestock Development, Dr. Andrew Muhia Karanja, with witness whereof of Dr. Paul Kairono, and Honorable Jonathan Mweke, in the presence of John Kanyuidia Mutunga, Chairperson, Departmental Committee on Agriculture and Livestock.
tukamugeithia muno rucini rwa umuthi na asanti sana ni guthi na mbere na guikarania na ithuĩ thĩinĩ wa ceceni ya Inooro TV. Karibu sana ni tabarĩra ya Kimuri o tũgĩthiaga na mbere muno ũyũ ũngĩ